Welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. And before I start today's recipe, my cookbook, Precision PSMF cookbook, is finally here. We've been waiting a long time. Well, not we. I've been promising this for over a year. I finally found a graphic designer to help me. Here it is now. It's on Amazon. I'll have a link below. And boy, what a busy morning. I started off trying to do this video for you, but the microphones didn't work. I was so confused. Had to bring it up to Carl and say, Carl, what's going on? I don't know. Took him a while. In the meantime, it's Memorial Day weekend. I have so much to do. I started my limoncello while I was waiting for the microphones to get working. And I also have on the stove my tangy barbecue sauces going because I'm making baby back ribs this weekend for Memorial Day. But right now I'm going to make for you caramelized onions in the slow cooker. Onions have a lot of sugar, and caramelizing them is going to intensify that sugar. So to stay clean keto, just be careful of how many you use. It's great on burgers. We like it on steak. You can put it on scrambled eggs, anything. It is so amazing. But it takes 8 to 10 hours in the slow cooker on low. And I'm going to show you how I slice my onions. So first I have this onion. I did 3 pounds of onions. It was a 3-pound bag, and I sliced them probably a quarter of an inch maybe. It doesn't matter the thickness, just try to get them a similar thickness. So here I have all of the onions, and here is all of the onions that I've already cut up. So this is the last onion of a 3-pound bag. And I separate the slices. I don't know if you have to. I think cooking them, and when you stir them, they might break up. I do this anyway. Again, you do not have to add any water. If you wanted to add water, you could add like a teaspoon of water on the bottom. But this is going to generate its own juices, so it's not necessary. That's it. That's all my onions. I'll just press them down somewhat. I'm going to put this on low, and I'll be back in 8 to 10 hours depending on how long it takes. Well, the onions have been cooking in the slow cooker between 8 to 10 hours. I think these are probably about 9 hours. And you can see how much it decreased. As you remember, it was overflowing, and now the onions way down. So we're going to put them in a bowl, and you can see how nice and dark and caramelized they are. Let's see. Look at how beautiful these are. I'm going to just take some of the juice out. We will be putting these on our hamburgers this evening. They're good. Really, steak, chicken, eggs, whatever. But tonight we're having hamburgers tonight. So we're going to be putting it on our burgers. And there's juice left over. I'll just pour the juice in here so you can see it. Again, I did not put any water in here. It was just onions. So you can see I get onions, and I got about a half a cup of liquid. Now this liquid can be used in soups. Actually, Dr. Carl just will drink it. But you can put it in soups and have a little onion flavor. I think this would make a great onion soup. So maybe in the future I'll do an onion soup recipe. So here we are, caramelized onions. I'll taste it. Onions by themselves. And remember, Onions are high in sugar, so be careful how many you have. These are so good. So easy. Cut up the onions. This was 3-pound bag of onions. Put them in the slow cooker, just the onions, for 8 to 10 hours, and look at this deliciousness that you get. Enjoy.